Good morning, students. We are going to continue the operations in fractions and decimals, and this is our next question. So all of you try this question, and if you want to give answer, can raise a hand now. The two consecutive integers between which the fraction 5 by 7 lies. It lies between 0 and 1, or 5 by 7, 5 by 6, or 6 and 7. Mayuk, you want to give the answer? Mayuk?
Yes.
Mayuk, you want to give the answer?
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Mayuk?
Sorry. For option A.
You're not audible. Speak loudly.
So option A.
How did you
A.
know option A? It lies between 0 and 1.
So because the fraction is not greater than 1 or not lesser than 0.
It's more than 0 and less than 1. How can you decide it is more than 0 and less than 1?
So if numerator is greater than denominator, it's greater than 1.
Yes.
If numerator is more than numerator number is more than 0, it is greater than 0.
It's not like that. You have to check the decimal form. You cannot decide if numerator is greater than 0. Even if numerator is greater than 0, if the denominator is negative, we cannot say. But if the fraction always positive numerator and denominator, that is correct. But try to convert into decimal. How to convert this into decimal, Mayuk?
So
Yes. How can I convert the fraction into decimal?
divide numerator by denominator.
Yes, divide numerator by denominator. If the dividend is less than the divisor, what is the quotient you will receive? What
So
is the quotient? If the dividend is less than divisor, what is the quotient you will use?
0.
Okay, 7
Decimal.
zeros are 0. In subtract, you'll get 5. Use the decimal point, you'll get 0 here. Then
So 7 sevens are 48.
7 sevens are 49, remainder is 1. So this is going to continue. But let's take approximate value 0.7. So that is 5 by 7 is approximately 0.7. And on the number line, if you take the integers, this is 0, this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and so on. Where does 0.7 lie? It lies approximately here, right?
Yes.
So it lies between which two integers? It lying between 0 and 1, right?
Okay.
So correct answer, that is option A. So Mike, give the correct answer. Mike, you can mute yourself. Students, any doubts in this solution, you can raise a hand. Otherwise, you can copy this solution. Yes, Harshvardhan.
Sir, why you converted that into decimal form, sir?
Because in decimal form, I can check it is lying between which two integers. Suppose in place of 0.7, I got something like 1.7. Then it lies between which two integers?
1 and 2.
Yeah, like that. To check
Sir,
it is
why?
like,
Sir, converting into decimals, we can easily find out. Huh?
yes.
Okay, sir.
Copy the question as well as solution before we move to the next question. Okay, I hope everybody copied and we are going to the next question. Copy quickly. There is an alternate method for this question. Without converting into decimals also we are able to do. So let's discuss that also. So let's say this is method number 1. We have method number 2. Method number 2 is without converting into decimals also we can do. Convert the options into fractions. So the given fraction is 5 by 7. Let us write the options. The options are 0 and 1. Option B 5 and 7. Option C 5 and 6. Option D 6 and 7. Now the given fraction is having the denominator 7. I want to convert all these numbers as fractions having denominator 7. So 0 I can write 0 by 7. 1 I can write 7 by 7. 5 I can write 35 by 7. 7 I can write 49 by 7. 5 I can write 35 by 7. 6 I can write 42 by 7. 6 I can write 42 by 7. 7 I can write 49 by 7. So you can see 5 by 7 lies between these two numbers, that is 0 by 7 and 7 by 7. So that's why option A is correct. So without converting into decimals also we are able to do. Suppose in place of 5 by 7 we have something like 38 by 7. Then which option would be correct? Option C would be correct. Why? Because 38 by 7 is going to lie between 35 by 7 and 42 by 7. So by converting into fractions also we can do, but options we need to convert into fractions. Manaswini? Manaswini? Manaswini, why did you raise hand?
Sir, I can't listen class. It is talking.
Oh, you try to leave the class and join again. Manaswini, you leave the class and join again.
Okay, sir.
Okay, you copy the second method also. We are going to the next question now. Manaswini, mute yourself or leave the class and join again. Manaswini, mute yourself or leave the class and join again.
I cannot hear. Sir, I cannot hear.
Otherwise, you leave the class and join again now.
Leave left it. అదే వాళ్ళు
Manaswini, there is an error from your side. There is a class end live. You can leave the class and join again. Okay, we go to the next topic. So we discuss fractions and decimals, conversion between fractions and decimals, and the next topic is addition and subtraction of decimals. So addition and subtraction of decimals, you can keep one thing in mind, that we can do addition or subtraction of decimals in vertical method, but only one thing you have to remember, that all the decimals should be placed in the same vertical column. Okay, for example, let's take two questions. So add 1.234, 2.7, 13 and 0.05. Suppose if this question is given, then how to add these decimals? So just write 1.234, then 2.7. To write 2.7 below this, first you take care of the decimal. The decimal should be below the decimal. So we have to write 2.7 so that the decimals are matching in the same column. And similarly 13. There is no decimal in this, but we can create the decimal by writing 13.0. So I can write 13.0. So here you can see the decimals are matching in the same column. And like 0.05. Similarly, I can write 0.05. Now you can start adding from right to left. That is 4, 8, 9, and this is 6, and this is 1. So the answer is 16.984. So subtraction also same. So you can keep the decimals in the same vertical column and you can start subtracting. You'll get the correct answer. So addition and subtraction, both we can follow this method. So you can write it as an example. Now we are going to previous year questions. Copy this. Make the heading also addition and subtraction of decimals. So you can see one question from 2023 paper. A bullock cart is carrying 230 kilograms of sand to a construction site. If 4.65 kilograms sand slipped away on the way to the site, find the amount of sand that reached the site. Try to solve this question, all of you. First, copy the question. Those who wanted to give answer can raise a hand now. I'll give some time to solve the question and then accept the hand raise. Be ready with your solutions, all of you. Very simple question. Okay, I hope everybody solved this question. Let me see who wanted to give answer. Vamshika, can you give the answer for this? Vamshika?
Sir,
Vamshika, can you give the answer for this? First, read the question loudly.
sir, Neeraj or Vamshika?
Vamshika.
Okay, Vamshika.
Vamshika, can you read the question loudly? Yes, Vamshika, read the question.
Okay. Ebu, Ebola,
A bullock.
Ebola cart is carrying 230 kgs of sand to a construction site. It 4.65 kg sand has
Will you say 4.65 decimal? After the decimal point, you have to call the digits separately. Don't say 65 after the decimal. You should say 4.65. Separate digits you should say.
okay, sir.
Okay, start the second.
4.5 kg sand slipped away on the way to the site. Then find the amount of sand that reached the site.
Okay. For this question, which operation we need to do, Vamshika?
Sir, addition.
We want to do addition. First of all, you understood the question?
Yes, sir.
Bullock cart is carrying 230 kilograms of sand to a construction site and 4.65 kilograms sand slipped away. So while going on the road, some sand will fall down, right? So like
Yes, sir.
there, how
Okay.
much sand is lost? 4.65. Now we should find how much sand reached the site. For that, you need to do addition or subtraction.
The subtraction.
Why did you say addition? It's very simple question, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So how can I subtract these two? So 230 is not a decimal, but how can I write it in the decimal form?
Sir, 230.0.
230.0. Then below that I want to write 4.65. So what I have to check?
Sir, point.
The decimal point should be below the decimal point. That is 4.65. Is this the correct way of writing?
Yes, sir.
Now we have to go for subtraction. Okay. There is no decimal. Can I use one more zero here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now do subtraction and tell me the answer.
10,
can take borrow 10, that is 5. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. And this became 2. You got the same answer?
Yes, sir.
Which option is correct?
Sir, option D.
Option D. Okay, all of you can copy this very simple question. Vamshika, you can mute yourself. And those who have copied this and already got the same answer can try the next question now. What must be added to 2.4624 to get 6.785? This question came in 2022 paper.
Sir,
Yes, Neeraj?
sir, can I say the answer?
No, mute yourself. I'll be first. You try this question. Be ready with your answer.
Okay, sir.
Later, you can raise a hand. First, try the question. Those who wanted to give answer can raise a hand now. Srivali, can you give the answer for this? Srivali, Srivali, can you give the answer?
Sir, answer A.
Which operation we need to do? Addition or subtraction?
Sir,
Which operation we need to do? Addition or subtraction?
sir, subtraction.
Okay, what must be added to the first number to get the second number? We need to do subtraction. Okay, so let's solve this question now. Okay, I'm writing 6.785. Srivali, how can I write the second decimal below this 2.4624? How can I write?
Sir,
Yes,
5 below 2. 5.
5. This here I should write 2.
2.
Okay,
And 8 below 2.
8 below 2.
6 is 6.
Here I should write 2.
2, sir, point.
Yes, points are matching in the same column now.
Yes, sir.
That we should take care. Yes, 2.4,
4, 6,
2.
4.
There is no digit here. Which digit I can use?
Sir, 0.
Very good, 0. Now start subtracting. Okay. Now take borrow. You'll get 10 minus 6 is 10 minus 4 is 6. 5 became 4. 4 minus 2 is 2. 8 minus 6.
2,
7 minus 4.
3,
And 6 minus 2.
4.
So which option is correct, Srivali?
Sir, C.
Okay, answer C. Very good, Srivali. You can mute yourself. So all of you can copy this question. We'll move to the next question. I hope everybody copied. We'll go on to the next question now. Next question is this. What is the value of the given expression? All of you, take 2 minutes of time and try this and be ready with your answer. If you wanted to give answer, can raise a hand. I hope everybody got the answer. Vishwajit, how to solve this question?
Sir,
How to solve this question?
sir, June, sir, June.
Zoom.
Sir. Okay, sir.
Is it clear now?
Okay, sir. June.
Yes, Vishwajit, can you answer now? Yes, Vishwajit, what we should do? Vishwajit, you muted yourself. Shanay, can you give the answer?
Sir,
Yes, Shanay, how to solve this question?
sir, we will do first 1042.792.
Okay. So when
10.
addition subtraction symbols are there in V board mass simplification, what we'll be doing? First add all
Addition.
the positive numbers and add all the negative numbers and then subtract, right? Now you tell
Yes,
me,
sir.
this number 945.341, positive or negative?
Sir, negative.
Positive. We have to check the sign before it. Before it, there is no sign. So plus is understood, right?
Yes,
Yes?
sir.
So that is
Yes,
positive.
sir.
This number is positive or negative?
Sir, negative.
Negative. Because before that we have a minus sign, it is negative. And what about this number, positive or negative?
Sir, positive.
Positive. What about this?
Sir, negative.
It is also positive because before that which sign is there? Plus is there, right?
Yes, sir.
So add all the positive numbers first. Okay. So write the positive numbers 945.341. And what is the next positive number?
Sir, 875.
875.43.
435.
And next positive number
31.
31. Before the decimal, you should call the number. After the decimal, you should call separate digits.
02.
31.5.
02.
Now we can do addition. Okay. So start from right to left.
Sir, 11.
1 carry. Then
Sir, 10.
0 1 carry. Then
8.
8. Then
11.
1 1 carry. Next
15.
5 1 carry. Next
18, sir.
18. So this is the sum of all the positive numbers. Now from this sum, we should subtract the negative number. What is the negative number we have in the question?
Sir, 1042.792.
1042.792. Now we should
792.
subtract, right? Okay. How can I
Sir,
do subtraction?
we will take first barrow, sir.
Borrow. It became 11. 11 minus 2.
11 minus 2. 9.
And 9 minus 9.
Sir, 9 minus 9. 0.
7 minus 7.
Sir, 0.
8 became 7, no? 7 minus 7, 0.
0.
Next, 51
Sir,
minus
borrow,
42. 51 minus 42. Or you can take borrow. 11 minus 2.
sir, 9,
9. 4 minus 4. 0.
0. Sir,
8 minus
8,
8.
0.
Which option?
Sir, D.
Yes, answer is D. I hope everybody understood. Copy this question. We'll move to the next question. Shanay, very good. You can mute yourself. You can compare it with the textbook solution also. Almost they did in the same method. Yes, I hope everybody copied. We'll move to the next question now. Make it fast. Sudeshna, you are giving answers in the chat box, but why are you not raising hand? Most of the students are not ready to give answer. Shall I call by names? Bhuvana not raising hand. Srivatsav, Ritvik, Saharsha, Sahasra, Sahana, Sharad not raising hand. Abhyuday, Jashvi, Sudeshna, Ritvika, Surya, Nishika, Litiksha, Jaivan, Samatvika. So all these students are not raising hand. Only few people. Keep your hand raising if you know the answer. Okay, we are going to the next question now. This is the next question we have. The total weight of brinjal, ladyfinger, and onion is 48.057 kilograms. If brinjal and ladyfinger weigh 5.35 kilograms and 24.52 kilograms respectively, then find the weight of onion. Very simple question from 2021 paper. All of you try this question, and if you know the solution, can raise a hand. Bona will give the answer for this. Bona, be ready with your solution. Yes, Bona, can you read the question again? Bona,
Sir,
can you read the question loudly?
the total weight of brinjal, ladyfinger and onion is 48.057 kg. If brinjal and ladyfinger weighs 5.35 kg and 24.52 kg respectively, find the weight of onion.
Okay. Total weight of all the three vegetables is given. What is the brinjal weight given? Brinjal weight.
5.35 kg, sir.
Yes, ladyfinger weight.
24.52 kgs.
Now, how can we find the weight of onion from this?
sir, first add the 24.52 and 5.35, sir.
Yes. Wait a minute. 5.35. Below that, how can I write 24.52?
Sir, to equal the decimal point, sir.
Not equal, vertically below. That is 2, 4. That is 24.52. What is the sum you got? Starting
Sir,
from right.
7,
7,
8,
8,
point
point
9,
9,
2.
2. That is 29.87. Now,
Yes.
can we subtract it from total weight to get the weight of the onion?
Yes, sir.
48.057. So from this we have to subtract this sum 29.87. Is this correct way of writing?
Yes, sir.
But here there is no digit. But which digit I can use here?
Sir, 0.
0. Now we can start subtracting from right to left.
Sir, 7.
7.
Sir, we take borrow from the 8.
Yes.
It's become 15. And
Yes.
sir, 8.
8.
0 will be 9. Minus
Yes.
is 1.
Yes.
8 becomes 7.
Yes. Take borrow, it becomes 17 again.
Yes, sir. It is 8, sir.
8. Yes.
Sir, 3 minus 2 is 1, sir.
Yes, 18.187. That is answer B. Very good, Bhuvana. This is correct answer, option B. So all of you can copy this. Bhuvana, you can mute yourself. Very good. Yes, I hope everybody copied. We'll move to the next question. So all of you try the next question, which is from 2020 paper. Subtract the difference of 8.362 and 7.942 from the sum of 5.675 and 1.327. Simple addition and subtraction question. All of you try this, and if you wanted to give answer, can raise a hand. Those who are not raising hand, I'll call you by names. Samatvika, Litiksha, Nishika, Surya, Ritvika, Sudeshna, Jeshvi, Srivastav, Ritvik, Saharsha, Sahasra, Vishwajit, Sahana, Sharat, Abhyuday. Regularly, same students are raising hand. The other students are keeping quiet. Sudeshna are not raising at all. Ritvika, can you raise your hand? Ritvika, Ritvika, can you raise your hand? Jeshvi, Jeshvi, can you raise your hand? Jeshvi, why are you not raising hand to give the answer?
Sir, I am trying, sir.
Still trying?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's try on the board directly, okay?
Hmm.
Can you read the question loudly, Jeshvi?
Subtract the difference of 8.362 and 7.942 from the sum of 5.675 and 1.327.
Okay, there are two quantities. First quantity is the difference of these two, and the second quantity is the sum of these two, right? So first, shall
Yes.
we find the difference of first two numbers?
Yes, sir.
But what do you mean by difference?
Subtraction.
It is not subtraction. There is no yes here. Second, subtraction. That's it. Okay. So subtraction result. The result of subtraction we call difference. So from which number we have to subtract which number?
8.362 and 7.942.
Bigger number minus smaller number. That is 8.362 minus 7.942, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, start subtracting from right to left. Yes, Jashvi?
0, sir.
0,
2.
2,
We
take
should
bar. Yes, yes.
34
4,
and 7, 0.
0. So 0.420 is nothing but 0.42. Now let us find the sum of these two. Sum means the
Plus
result of
addition.
addition. So that is 5.675. Have to add 1.327. Okay, the result of addition. So now add them from right to left.
12.
12, 2, 1 carry. Next,
10.
0, 1 carry. Next,
10.
0, 1 carry. Next.
Point, sir.
Okay, point we'll be using that is 7. 7.002, right?
Yes, sir.
Now they said subtract the difference of these two from the sum of these two. So what is the final answer we are going to get?
Sir, we get
Subtract the difference of these two from the sum of these two. Very simple. Which number minus which number?
Sir, 7.002 minus 0.420.
Yes. Now let us do subtraction from right to left.
2, sir.
2,
We should take barrow.
take borrow, that is 10.
And 8.
Yes.
And it is 9. And
Yes.
5
Yes.
point.
Yes.
Uh,
Yes. Last digit.
6, sir.
6. Which option is correct?
Option A.
Okay. Jeshvi, you know the answer, but you're not confident enough to give the answer and raise a hand. So even if you get wrong answer, no problem, but involve in the discussions. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. All of you can copy the solution, and Jeshvi can mute yourself.
Okay.
Don't keep the live class notes pending because the previous notes are pending. Okay. If the previous notes are pending also, you leave some pages or you may write in other book. Write the live class notes in the class only. Don't keep that work pending. Okay, I hope everybody copied. We'll move to the next question now. Write fast. Sudeshna, always you're giving answer in chat box but not raising hand. Next question, you should give the answer, Sudeshna. Be ready. Okay, we'll move to the next question now. So this is the next question. So there will be 5 questions following the same table. So you have to understand the table first. Following table has to be consulted. So name of the city is given, temperature at 3 a.m. and temperature at 3 p.m. Okay, early morning 3 o'clock the temperature is given, and afternoon 3 o'clock also the temperature is given. So you can see the table: Chennai, Mumbai, Thiruvananthapuram, Kolkata, Bhopal, Srinagar, Guwahati, and Jaipur. Now, based on this table, you'll be having 5 questions. So, first question to be answered by Sudeshna. Sudeshna, raise your hand. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 a.m.? Sudeshna, can you raise your hand? Yes, Sudeshna. Which place had the highest temperature at 3 a.m.?
Sir,
Yes,
option B.
option B, that is Thiruvananthapuram. So,
Yes,
3
sir.
a.m., these are the temperatures given. Which is the highest number in this?
Sir, 21.6.
Very good. It is from which city?
Sir, Thiruvananthapuram.
You know, Thiruvananthapuram is the capital of which state?
Sir,
Kerala.
yes, sir, Kerala.
What is the new name of Thiruvananthapuram?
Yes, sir.
What is the new name of Thiruvananthapuram? You know that?
No, sir.
Trivandrum. Say again.
Okay, sir.
Trivandrum.
Trivandrum.
Yes. That is option B is correct. So no process required for this. You can directly write option B. You can take that. Okay.
Sir,
Very-
right question also.
Yeah. First, everybody copy the table. You need not copy 5 times. First, copy the table also. I'll be waiting now.
Okay, sir.
Table and the question. There will be more 4 questions based on the same table.
Sir, can I mute?
Yeah, you can mute yourself. Next question, all of you keep raising your hand. I may select one. Litiksha, are you there in class or not? Samatvika, Nishika, Ritvika. By calling name also, Ritvika is not responding. Samatvika, Litiksha, Nishika. Srivatsav not raising hand today. Nishika said, my phone is stuck. Can I leave? Yes, leave the class and join again. Saharsha not raising hand. Sahasra. Vishwajit not raising hand to give answer. Ritvik. All of you copy the table and the question. We're going to the next question now. So I'm waiting for you to copy the table first. Okay, I'm moving to the next question. I hope everybody copied the table and the question. Is it done? Yes, next question. From the same table, the next question is, which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.? Kolkata, Srinagar, Mumbai, Bhopal. Who will give the answer for this? Vishwajit, can you give the answer for this? Which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.?
Sir,
Which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.? Vishwajit, coolest means less temperature or more temperature?
less sir.
Where is the less temperature at 3 p.m.?
Srinagar.
Srinagar, very good. That is option B. Which is the smallest number out of these decimals?
The smallest 8.1.
8.1 is from Srinagar. So you can
Yes, sir.
no need to copy the table again, only copy the question and take option B. Okay. We'll
Sir,
move to the next question. Yes, Vishwajit.
previous question again. Sir, previous question repeat sir ఒకసారి.
That's why I asked 3, 4 times. Are you copying fast or not? Copy quickly. Vishwajit. No need to draw table again because it is same table. Only copy the questions. Okay, for the 47th question, that is answer is B, Srinagar. We go to the next question now. Copy this question also, all of you. Which place is the coolest at 3 p.m.? Yes, I hope this is done. Next question. How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that of Srinagar at 3 p.m.? Who will try to give the answer for this? How much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that of Srinagar at 3 p.m.? Who will give the answer for this? Sahasra, can you give the answer for this? Sahasra.
Sir,
Yes, Sahasra. Read the question.
how much higher is the temperature in Mumbai from that of Srinagar at 3 p.m.?
3 p.m. That means what are they asking? The difference between the temperatures or the sum of the temperatures?
The difference.
Difference. Mumbai is how much higher than Srinagar. So Mumbai at 3 p.m. What is the temperature?
Sir,
Mumbai at 3 p.m. What is the temperature?
sir, Mumbai 35.1.
Yes, 35.1 degrees Celsius. And Srinagar at 3 p.m. What is the temperature?
8.1.
8.1. Say units also. 8.1 here is given no degree Celsius. Temperature is measured in degree Celsius or degree Fahrenheit. But here it's given degree Celsius. 8.1 degree Celsius, right?
Yes.
Now you want how much more means what we should do?
Sir, subtraction.
So 35.1 minus 8.1. Is it correct?
No, sir.
Why wrong?
So we should write point below each other.
Yes, not below each other. 1 point below other decimal. So this is 8.1. Okay, now start from right to left.
Sir, 0.
0.
Sir, 5. 15.
Okay, 15.
Sir,
15
2.
8.
Sir, 7.
7. And this is
2.
27.0 is nothing but 27, right?
Yes, sir.
So which option is correct?
Sir, option C.
See, very good. You can mute yourself, Sahasra. More two questions on this table. First, copy this question and solution. No need to copy the table again and again. Only question. I hope this is done. We go on to the next question now. Next question is this 49th question. How many degrees will be the temperature at 3 a.m. need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Thiruvananthapuram? Who will give the answer for this? Surya, can you give the answer for this? Surya,
Sir,
yes, can you first read the question loudly?
how many degrees will the temperature at 3 a.m. need to rise for it to reach 40 degrees Celsius in Tiruvananthapuram?
In Thiruvananthapuram at 3 a.m., what is the temperature?
Sir, 21.6.
Now, what are they asking? 21.6, how much it has to rise to reach 40 degrees Celsius? So, which operation you need to do?
Sir, subtraction.
Okay. From which number we have to subtract which number?
Sir, 40.0
Yes,
minus 21.6.
21.6. Subtract this.
Yes, sir. Sir, 0.
It's not 6, it is 0.
Yes, sir.
Subtract.
Sir, carry.
Is carry or borrow?
Sir, bar.
10 minus 6,
4.
4. 9 minus 1,
8.
8. 3 minus 2.
1.
So 18.4. Which option?
Sir, option B.
Option B. Very good, Surya. You can mute yourself. Next question. Copy this quickly. We're going to the next question now. Okay, last question on this table. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai at both times 3 a.m. and 3 p.m.? Read the question properly, otherwise you'll get wrong answer. How much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that of Chennai at both times 3 a.m. and 3 p.m.? Who will give the answer? Can raise a hand now. Only 3 students are raising the hand. Okay, let me ask Varshita, can you solve this question? Varshita?
Sir,
Yes, Varshita. First, read the
Sir,
question.
how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from that in Chennai at both times, 3 a.m. and 3 p.m.?
Okay, at both times means what we should do first?
Sir, subtraction.
First of all, we need to find both times together, no?
Yes.
So first Kolkata, I want both times together. What is the total temperature? So what we need to do for Kolkata?
Sir, addition.
Kolkata 3 a.m. What is the temperature?
13.1.
13.1 and 3 p.m.
26.6.
So I want to find the sum. What is the answer?
Sir, 39.7.
39.7. Now Chennai, what is the total temperature?
Sir, 1 minute. Sir, 51.0.
Okay, you got 0, 1 carry, that is 11, 1 carry, that is 51.0. Now they're asking how much lower is the temperature of Kolkata from Chennai. So to get the final answer, what you need to do?
Sir, subtraction.
So from 51.0, you need to subtract 39.7. Okay, start from right to left subtraction.
Sir,
How can I subtract from right to left? 0 minus
sir,
1, what can I do?
no.
Take bar
Sir,
out. Yes, 10 minus 7,
3, sir.
3. Take bar out again. 10 minus 9,
1.
1. 4 minus 3 is 1.
1.
11.3, which option?
Sir,
11.3. Where is the sum you are getting 11.3? Option A.
yes, sir.
Even you can find it separately also. If you do separately, that is 21.1 minus 13.1. What is the answer?
Sir, 8.
So that is 8. And this one, 29.9 minus 26.6. What is the answer?
3.3.
3.3. So 8 and 3.3. You can do separately also. Okay, that is 8 and 3.3. Option A.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So all of you can copy this. We'll move to the next question now. If they ask overall difference, it is 11.3. If they ask individually, you can do like this, 8 and 3.3. Copy quickly. I'm lowering all your hands. Only doubts can raise a hand now. Only doubts. Are there any doubts? Shanai, you have any doubt? Shanai,
Sir,
you have any doubt, Shanai?
sir, just like also we do another method. First we will do 21.1 minus 13.1. That's like,
Yeah, you have to do like that only. I thought that they are asking the overall difference. They are not asking overall difference. They are asking individually. So you just subtract 21.1 minus 31.1, you'll get 8. 29.9 minus 26.6, you'll get 83.3. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Mayuk? Mayuk? Rishikesh?
Sir,
Yes, Rishikesh.
sir, today which subject you are taking?
Today we'll take GK at 7:30.
Okay, sir.
Okay, all of you, we have completed this table and all the 5 questions. We'll move to the next one. So addition and subtraction of decimals, these are the questions from previous year papers. Now we'll start the new operation, that is multiplication and division. So multiplication and division of decimals. So how can we do multiplication and division of decimals? So first let us discuss about multiplication. Suppose I wanted to do 1.23 multiplied by 2.7. I want to find this answer. So what I do is, first you imagine there is no decimal point at all. So if you think there is no decimal point in 1.23, it becomes 123. And you think there is no decimal in 2.7, it becomes 27. So first do the normal multiplication. 123 into 27. So 7 threes are 21. 1 2 carry. 7 twos are 14. 16. 6 1 carry. 7 ones are 7. 7 plus 1 is 8. 2 into 123, you get 246. Now 1 2 1 3 1, that is 3. We got 3 3 2 1. But this is not the final answer. We imagine two decimal places are not there and one decimal place is not there. So together how many decimal places? Two decimal places here, one decimal place here. Together three decimal places. So introduce three decimal places in this number starting from right to left. 1, 2, 3. These three will go into the decimal place. That means the answer is going to be 3.321. So this is the final answer. So first you imagine there are no decimal places and then do multiplication. In the final answer, you introduce how many decimal places are left. That many you can keep now. That is 3.321. Next question. Now we'll take decimal. Decimal, we'll take one question. From the same question, we'll take a decimal form, that is divide 3.321 by 2.7. So from the question, we already know the answer 1.23. But if this is a separate question, how can we solve? So what we do is 3.321 divided by 2.7. So first you remove the decimal from the denominator. So always denominator we don't want any decimal. So to remove the decimal in denominator, I want to move the decimal place one point right, one step right. So I need to multiply by 10. So multiply the denominator by 10. Numerator also multiply by 10. So it becomes, this decimal point will move here one step right. So it will become 33.21 divided by 2.7 will become 27. Now you can start doing division. Once the denominator is a whole number, it's not a decimal. Now you can do the long division process. With 27 we can divide 33.21. How can we do that? 27 ones are 27. Now we can subtract. 33 minus 27 is 6. Now because the decimal point started in the dividend, we can use the decimal point in the quotient also. So that is, you can take down 2 here. 27 twos are 54 and this is 8. Take down the next digit 1. 27 threes are 81. So the final answer is going to be the quotient, that is 1.23. So always you remove the decimal from the denominator and then do subtraction, then you will get the answer. Sometimes the division becomes very simple by removing the decimal places. For example, you have something like divide 0.81 by 0.03. Now you can write it in fractional form also. 0.81 divided by 0.03. How many decimal places are there in this? 2. How many decimal places are there in this? 2. So to remove the 2 decimal places, simply we can multiply by 100 on both sides, numerator and denominator. So that will give you The decimal point will move right side 2 places in both numerator and denominator. It will become 81 divided by 3. So 3 into 27 is 81. So the answer will become 27. So this is how we can do multiplication and division of decimals. We'll take more examples from previous year questions also. But before that, you copy all these 3 examples. Okay, I hope everybody copied this. We'll go to the actual questions. So this question came in 2022. What would be the price of 7 shares if the price of one share is given 7,642.15? So very simple question. All of you try this. What would be the price of 7 shares if the price of one share is given? Who wanted to give answer can raise a hand now. Harshvardhan, can you give the answer?
Okay, sir.
Yes.
Sir,
Yes.
7,642.15 into 7.
Okay. One share cost is given and we need to find the cost of 7 shares. So simply we can do multiplication, right?
Yes, sir.
7642.15. But I think there is no decimal. Can I remove the decimal and find the product first?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can you tell me how to solve this?
Sir, 7 5s are 35, 3 carry.
Yes.
7 1s are 7, 0, 1 carry.
Yes.
7 2s are 14, 5, 1 carry.
Yes.
4 7s are 28, 1 carry, 9, 2 carry. 9 2
Yes.
carry. 7 6 are 42, 4, 4 carry.
Okay.
7 are 49 plus 4, 53.
Okay. But how many decimals we thought they are not there? How many decimals were removed?
Yes, sir.
How
2.
many decimal places? Two. So in the answer also we want two decimal places, right?
Yes, sir.
Which option is correct?
Sir, there is no option.
I think there is a typing error. So 5 sevens are 35, 5 3 carry. Okay. So let me see the correct answer. Maybe the answer is not there in this.
Three, four.
They got option B.
Sir, because they are using that.
Yeah, actually the question there was a printing error, that is it's not 1 5, it is 4 5. So we also changed the question and do, it's not 1 5, it is 4 5.
So
So if
7.
you remove this, actually the question should be given here 1. Instead of 1, it should be given 4, right? So let's use 4 here. 7 5s are 35, 5 3 carry, 28 plus 3. What are you getting? 31. So I'll be getting, so this is 1 because, wait a minute. So that is 31, 1 3 carry, and you'll be getting, this is 7. So now the answer is matching 53,497.15. That is which option? Option B. Okay, all of you can copy this. There was a mistake in the question. Now we have changed it. So if you can see the next question at the bottom of your screen, you can try this question now. Anil had 78.6 meters fabric, which was just enough to make one set of uniform for 12 students. How much fabric would be used to make one uniform? Who will give the answer for this? Sahana, can you give the answer?
Can I?
Yes.
Sir,
Yes, Sahana. Read the question first.
Anil had 78.6 meters fabric, which was just enough to make one set of uniform for 12 students. How much fabric would be used to make one uniform?
Which operation we need to do?
Division.
So 78.6. 78.6, we have to do division by 12. Okay. Shall we do long division or cuttings?
Cuttings.
Okay. Directly, shall we do it by 12?
Yes.
No, 12 table 78. When will you get?
So it will be not in 6 or 72.
12 6 are 72. What is the remainder?
72.
78 minus 72.
6.
If you use decimal, it will become 66, right?
Yes, sir.
12 table 66.
Sir, no, 5 are 60.
12 5 is 60. Again, 6 is remaining, but because of the decimal point, 6 will become 60, right?
Yes, sir, again 5.
So 6.55. Which option?
6 point. Option C.
Answer C. You can mute yourself, Sahana. Very simple question. Division. All of you can try the next question also. Simple division they gave you 54 divided by 0.009. All of you try that question.
Sir, this question not copied, sir.
Copy quickly, I'm waiting. Sahna, you can mute yourself. So next question, 54 divided by 0.009. How can we solve this question? Rishikesh, can you give the answer?
Sir,
Yes, Rishikesh.
sir, I can't understand decimal division, sir.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying now. So first thing what I said, denominator, we have to remove the decimal. But in this question, the denominator, how many decimal places are there?
Sir, 3.
So in order to remove three decimal places, with which number we should multiply?
100.
Not 100, 1000.
1000.
So numerator also I should multiply by 1000.
Yes, sir.
So 54 into 1000, it became 54,000
By 9.
by 9. Now you can do it's very simple.
Yes, sir.
See, decimal division you don't confuse at all. First of all, you try to remove the decimal from the denominator, then everything will be very easy. Okay? Yes?
Sir, sir. Okay, sir.
9,000. So the answer is 6000. Which option, Rishikesh?
Sir, option C.
C is correct. You can copy this. All of you try the next question. This is the last question in maths today. After that, we'll start GK. Yes, next question. Many students are keeping quiet in class, not at all raising hand. Abhiday, can you give the answer?
Yes, sir.
Abhiday always will be doing cuttings method, no? Shall we do it long division for this?
Okay, sir.
Okay. So the denominator, the divisor is not having the decimal. Shall we start doing division directly?
Yes, sir.
Okay, 24 table 53.
Sir, sir, it will not come. 2 sir.
2 star 48. So what's the remainder?
Sir, 6.
Is it 6 or 5?
Sir, 5.
5. Then the decimal point started in the denominator dividend. Can you use here also?
Yes, sir.
You'll be getting 0. So 24 table 50.
Sir, again 2, sir.
24 twos are 48. So 2. Take down 1. Next.
Sir, 0.
If it is
Sir,
not sufficient, use 0. You'll get the next number 6. Right?
yes, sir.
24 table 216. 24 into 9, you're going to get 216. You can split 24, 20 and 4. 180, 36, 24. Is it into 9?
Yes, sir.
So which option is correct?
Sir, option B.
Option B is correct. So all of you can copy this. We stop maths today and we continue with GK. All of you can copy this solution. We'll start GK now. Yes, I hope everybody copied. We'll move to GK now. So first question, very simple. So this is the first question. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? You can participate in the poll. So the poll started. I gave you 1 minute time. Many times we discussed this. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Option A, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Option B, Lal Bahadur Shastri. Option C, Jawaharlal Nehru. And option D, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Ten seconds left. And time up. Only one student gave wrong answer. And remaining all 18 students gave the correct answer. Jawaharlal Nehru. Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of India on August 15, 1947, and he served in that position until 1964. Okay, next question. So this question, the answer is Jawaharlal Nehru, option C. Next question. is, it's also a simple question. Next question is, what is the capital of Uttarakhand? Okay, all of you can try this question now. What is the capital of Uttarakhand? Dehradun, Shimla, Nainital, Mussoorie. Time up. I got three wrong answers for Shimla. Shimla is not the capital of Uttarakhand, it's the capital of Himachal Pradesh. 13 students gave correct answer. Dehradun is the correct answer. Dehradun is the capital of Uttarakhand, known for its beautiful landscapes, very beautiful scenery, and educational institutions also. So the next question, which is the largest continent in the world? Africa, Asia, Europe, Australia. All of you try this question. Which is the largest continent in the world? Option A, Africa. Option B, Asia. Option C, Europe. Option D, Australia. And time up. I got one wrong answer to option C, Europe, wrong answer. Two wrong answers for option A as well as D. Two students said Africa, wrong answer. Two students said Australia, wrong answer. Majority of the class got the correct answer. It is Asia. Okay. Asia is the largest continent covering about 44.58 million square kilometers. It is the largest continent. Next. Okay, let us see this. You must know this. Who discovered gravity? Albert Einstein, Galileo Galilei, Isaac Newton, Thomas Edison. Jayvant, you said Paul is not coming. You may leave the class and join again once. I got one wrong answer for Thomas Edison. He did not discover gravity, electric bulb. Three wrong answers for each Albert Einstein and Galileo Galilei. The correct answer is given by 13 students. Isaac Newton. Newton discovered the law of gravity when he observed an apple falling from a tree. Next question. Yes, let us see this one. So all of you check this question. Which is the smallest planet in the solar system? Earth, Mercury, Mars, Venus. Earth, Mercury, Mars, Venus. Which is the smallest planet in our solar system? Time up. Two students gave wrong answer, Venus, and 17 students, most of the students give the correct answer. Mercury is the correct answer. It is the smallest planet in the solar system and it is closest to the sun. Next question. What is the name of India's highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Paramvir Chakra. What is the name of India's highest civilian award? Bharat Ratna, Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Padma Paramvir Chakra. Time up. I got two wrong answers given by two students, Paramvir Chakra. Two students gave wrong answer, Padma Bhushan. Two students gave wrong answer, Padma Shri. And 15 students gave the correct answer, Bharat Ratna. So Bharat Ratna is the highest civilian award given in India for exceptional service in various fields. And second highest civilian award is Padma Vibhushan, third highest is Padma Bhushan, and fourth is Padma Shri. Paramveer Chakra is given to servicemen, army servicemen. Next question. It's so simple. Let's see how many of you know this. What is the full form of ISRO? Indian Science Research Organization, Indian Space Research Organization, International Space Research Organization, Indian Satellite Research Organization. Time up. One student gave wrong answer option D, Indian Satellite Research Organization, wrong. 3 students said International Space Research Organization, wrong. 17 students gave the correct answer, Indian Space Research Organization. ISRO means what? Indian Space Research Organization. It is headquartered in Bangalore, Karnataka, and do the experiment rocket launching from Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh. Next question. What is the capital of Mizoram? Agartala, Imphal, Aizawl, Kohima. Mizoram is one of the 7 sisters eastern states of India. What is the capital of Mizoram? Agartala, Imphal, Aizawl, Kohima. Time up, and 2 students gave wrong answer, Kohima. Kohima is the capital of Nagaland. And 4 students gave wrong answer, Agartala. Agartala is the capital of Tripura. And Imphal, no students given, but it's the capital of Manipur. And 13 students gave the correct answer, that is Aizawl. Aizawl is the capital of Mizoram. Okay, very good. And we move to the next question. Which is the largest desert in the world? Thar Desert, Sahara Desert, Gobi Desert, Kalahari Desert. Largest desert in the world. Time up, and I got one wrong answer for Gobi Desert, two wrong answers for Kalahari Desert, five wrong answers for third desert. Third desert is in India, but it is not the correct answer. The correct answer is Sahara Desert, given by 14 students. Correct answer. The Sahara Desert, located in Africa, is the largest hot desert in the world, covering about 9.2 million square kilometers. Next question. Who invented the telephone? Thomas Edison, Alexander Graham Bell, Nikola Tesla, Galileo Galilei. Time up. Two students gave wrong answer for Thomas Edison. Thomas Alva Edison invented electric bulb, not telephone. Option two students gave wrong answer, Tesla and Galilei. 14 students gave the correct answer, Alexander Graham Bell. He invented telephone in 1876. Next question. Next question is, what is the name of the first satellite launched by India? Aryabhatta, INSAT 1A, Bhaskara, GSAT 1. Time up. One student gave wrong answer, Bhaskara. Two students gave wrong answer inside 1A. 18 students, majority of the class got correct answer. Very good. That is Aryabhatta. Aryabhatta was India's first satellite, launched on April 19, 1975. Next question. Which organ in the human body purifies blood? Heart, liver, lungs, kidney. Time up, and I got many students confused for this question. Three students gave answer lungs. Lungs purify the air we breathe in. And five students gave wrong answer liver. Seven students give the answer heart. They are also wrong. Heart pumping the blood. Five students give the correct answer kidney. That means majority of the class got confused. Kidney is the correct answer. The kidneys filter waste and extra water from the blood to form urine. Next question. This is very important question. Let me see how many of you know this. Which is the longest dam in India? Hirakund Dam, Bakranangal Dam, Sardar Sarovar Dam, Tehri Dam. Time up. Two students said Sardar Sarovar Dam, wrong answer. Three students said Tehri Dam, wrong answer. Majority of the class gave wrong answer. Bakra Nangal Dam, wrong. Six students gave correct answer. That is Hirakund Dam. Hirakund Dam is located in Odisha. It is the longest in India, stretching 25.8 kilometers. Next question. Which river is known as the Saro of Bihar? Saro means it is leading to sadness. Okay, sorrow of Bihar. Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Brahmaputra. Which is the reason for sadness of Bihar? Which river? Ganga, Yamuna, Kosi, Brahmaputra. And time up. Two students gave Brahmaputra wrong answer, two students gave Yamuna wrong answer, three students said Ganga wrong answer, and 11 students gave correct answer. It is Kosi. The Kosi River frequently causes floods in Bihar, leading to loss of life and property. And last question of today's class. Which is the second most spoken language in India after Hindi? Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi. Last question of today's quiz. After Hindi, what is the second most spoken language in India? Bengali, Telugu, Tamil, Marathi. Time up. Two students gave wrong answer Marathi, and majority of the class, 10 students said it is Telugu. Telugu is not the correct answer. 9 students give the correct answer. It is Bengali. Bengali is the second most spoken language in India after Hindi. Okay, remember that. So we'll continue in tomorrow's class. So all of you, you may leave the class and get ready for school. You can leave the class, all of you now.